Good morning, everyone. Afternoon, or evening, from wherever you're watching me from. My name is Pumi. Welcome to my channel. Living right, growing what you love, and definitely enjoying what you grow. In today's video, I'm just going to take you on a little tour of what I see have been growing in my greenhouse and how I brought out some stuff from it right now. So, as you can see, it's sunny. Today is the Friday, and we're expecting some rain tomorrow. And so I want to take advantage of that to bring out some stuff from the greenhouse, as you can see. Anyway, so if you're new to my channel, this is my greenhouse. So what I have left growing in here is just tomatoes. This miracle leaf, which is also medicinal, like longevity spinach, and some tomatoes and bitter leaf. I still have them growing in here. Peppers, I've been harvesting a lot of that. So now it's spring is almost here. Today's temperature, we're expecting high temperature of 70. We've been in 60 and 70, which is not bad. So I brought out my rosemary. As you can see, that's rosemary right there. Next to it is my longevity spinach. It survived the winter in my greenhouse. I am loving it. And right on top here, I have the other longevity spinach. In this towel here, I built this from, I think they call it trellis. I'm not sure. I watched a YouTube video, and so what I did was that this is what you use to build your staircases, and I just put a 2x4 and screw in this. So in growing in this plastic container here, all the three containers here is my strawberries, which I bought from roots and planted it in the greenhouse. It took roots. It's growing nicely. Here is my other longevity spinach. I'm going to be doing something with this raised bed, but for right now I'm not doing anything. I'm just leaving it here. Just trying to tidy up my garden. In this bucket here is garden eggs that I grew from seeds. I think I do have a video, so I'm going to post it somewhere around here where you can go and see. I planted this from seeds. It took root. I am so happy. So this is eggplant, Nigerian eggplant. So we're going to see how I'm growing them in these 5-gallon buckets. But what I'm going to do eventually is I'm going to double up on the bucket, so that way to make it like 10 gallons. So right over here, there's not much going on here, but I'm going to take you down to where all these raised beds are. My son built the one on the right. He built this raised bed for me from cedar, and now I've transferred my blueberry in there, blueberry tree. And the one next to it is the one that I did myself. I built it out from some wood. So I give them the dimension. I went to Home Depot, they cut it up for me, and I put it together. I was able to get my hands on the power screw driver, and I was able to do it. The reason why I have this back plastic around it is because it's not treated wood, and I don't want anything to seep into my into the blueberry tree. So I was advised to put some plastic around it, and at the bottom I lined it with this fabric, these things you use to keep the weeds out. It's been working for me, so I like it, people. So that's what I have. So I'm trying to get my garden ready. I had to uproot some crepe myrtle trees that I've had for several years. I had to uproot them, but I'm going to, this raised bed, it was my very first one that my son gave me. I am going to, it's falling apart, so I'm going to uproot it and build another raised bed, make it look nice and everything. So that is all I have for you today. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and get out into the garden. And it's very medicinal when you're able to get into the garden and plant stuff, and then you see them grow by the grace of God. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, so when I put out any video, you'll be sure to get it, guys. And if you have any question, leave a question for me in the comments section below. And until next time, take care of yourself and get out in the garden and grow something. All right, well, have a wonderful day. Bye.